Welcome to this quick guide on how to update WhatsApp to the latest version. Keeping your apps updated is crucial for enjoying the latest features, security enhancements, and bug fixes. WhatsApp is no exception, and updating it ensures you stay connected with friends and family while benefiting from improved privacy settings and new functionalities. First, let's dive into the process for iOS users. To update WhatsApp on your iPhone, start by opening the App Store. This is where you'll find all the updates for your installed apps. Once the App Store is open, tap on the search icon, usually located at the bottom of your screen. Now, type in WhatsApp in the search bar and press Enter. This will take you to the WhatsApp app page. If an update is available, you'll see an Update button next to the WhatsApp icon. Tap on this button to start the update process. It might take a few seconds to download and install the update, depending on your internet connection. Make sure you have enough storage space on your device for the update to complete successfully. Updating WhatsApp not only brings new features but also enhances the app's security. For instance, recent updates have focused on improving end-to-end encryption and adding tools to prevent unauthorized access. Additionally, updates often include improvements to group settings, allowing group leaders to manage their groups more effectively. If you encounter any issues during the update, such as insufficient storage or a slow internet connection, you can resolve these by freeing up some space on your device or switching to a faster network. In rare cases, you might need to uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp, but remember to back up your chats first to avoid losing important messages. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to enjoy the latest version of WhatsApp with all its new features and security enhancements. Stay updated, stay connected,